Black hole, when it was first coined as a phenomenon, many individuals were skeptic about their existence. The concept of black holes was so radical that Einstein had strong reservations on them. Like many skeptics in the world, people have hard time believing in things that they cannot see. Just like the ontological argument for the existence of God, many scientists use their observation to follow the data to arrive at the conclusion that black holes are a reality, and in fact, their existence is what allows life to exist, as galaxies are formed because of them. Interestingly, the Quran mentions the descriptions of black holes so concisely that many people are in awe how seamlessly they are described. Black holes are mighty objects in space that can be understood as a plunging hole or cavity in the space-time fabric. Black holes are formed when massive stars, which are about 25 to 30 times bigger than our sun, collapses into itself after exhausting all its fuel. This collapse or violent decompression has such infinite density, immense powerful magnetic field, and zero volume that it forms a singularity.
The first black hole imaged by the Event Horizon Telescope lies at the heart of the M87 galaxy. At more than 20 billion miles across, this black hole is larger than our entire solar system. The M87 black hole is so large that even an object traveling at the speed of light would take several days to orbit around it. The newly imaged black hole, Sagittarius A star, is more than 1,000 times smaller than M87 star. Because Sagittarius A star is so much smaller, it takes light just a few minutes to orbit around it. The radio light that the EHT observes from Sagittarius A star is emitted by the hot gas orbiting around it at close to the speed of light. Because it takes several hours over the course of a night for the EHT to collect enough data to make an image, the appearance of Sagittarius A star is changing even as we're trying to image it. The image we end up with is thus the equivalent of a long exposure photograph, with lots of motion blur, capturing the average appearance of the black hole, rather than just a single freeze frame.